In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Apollo.io with Hubspot. This integration can really streamline your workflows, making it simpler to access and manage data across platforms. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. If you're not familiar with HubSpot yet, it's an excellent suite of software and tools designed to support your business's growth needs. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Ensure you have your login credentials at the ready. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot home. Here you might spend some time exploring the various features available. However, for our integration purpose, let's move on. Now locate the marketplace icon on the navigation bar, which should look like a small storefront or a grid. Click on this icon to proceed to the HubSpot marketplace, where you can find all the apps that can be integrated with HubSpot. Once the marketplace page loads, you'll need to select apps from the list. This step filters all the available marketplace's content to show only apps, making it easier for you to find Apollo.io. To locate Apollo.io, type Apollo.io in the search bar. It's efficient to use the search field to save time scrolling through numerous apps. After typing in Apollo.io, expect to see it pop up in the results below. Click on the Apollo.io app from the list, and you'll be redirected to the app's detail page. On this page, you will find more information about the integration capabilities, features, and perhaps some user reviews. But for now, let's keep our focus on getting this app ready for you. Next, within the Apollo.io page, you'll see a section labeled Apollo Enrichment. This feature is part of the integration that enriches your contact data within HubSpot using Apollo's extensive database. Click on Apollo Enrichment to proceed. This is essential as it enhances the data quality within your CRM, helping your team with better lead information and therefore better conversions. Finally, you'll come across the option to install app. Click on that button to initiate the installation process. At this stage, you might encounter a few prompts requesting permissions to allow Apollo.io to access your HubSpot data. Be sure to read them carefully and click Allow or Accept to continue. Once the app is successfully installed, you'll now have Apollo.io integrated within your HubSpot environment, providing you with enriched data capabilities right at your fingertips. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward process to integrate Apollo.io with HubSpot. Thanks for tuning into today's guide. Remember, integrating tools like these can significantly enhance your productivity and provide more ease in managing your business processes. Feel free to explore more of HubSpot's marketplace for other useful integrations that can benefit your operations.